You guys loved my last clean with me video, so I figured we'd do a clean with me for my beauty room. I need to clean it. I mean, look at this. It's bad, so let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing another clean with me video. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. I share beauty, fashion, and lifestyle on this channel. I share a lot of weekly vlogs with my husband and our new baby. She is 4 months old right now. This room is my beauty room. If you guys followed along on my home renovation videos, we redid the flooring in this room and the layout. But this is my beauty room slash getting ready room slash closet, whatever you want to call it. And it was my office. And then when we redid the floors in here, my office went into the other room, and then now my office is back in here because we had to turn that room into our nursery. So it's just been a crazy process. This room is packed with stuff and it just gives me so much anxiety. So I need to clean it. I mean, look at this. It's bad. So you guys loved my last clean with me video, so I figured we'd do a clean with me for my beauty room. Connor took Layla to her grandparents' house so that I can fully take advantage of this time to just clean, because if you saw my last clean with me, it took all day to do that cleaning because we were working between naps. And so this way I can make all the noise I want and just get it done, and then finally be able to like feel like I can work in here again. I've been doing my try-ons in the nursery because we have that big mirror in there. It won't stay in there because once she's able to crawl and stuff, we'll have to take it down. But I've been doing everything in there. It's just a hot mess. So I'll show you guys the before. There's me. Show you the before, some before shots, and then let's clean and organize and get this place back up and running and looking good. So let's go. Hi baby. Hi Coach. Hi baby. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. So I got these shoes from Nordstrom, gosh, last year, and I've worn them literally once because when I wore them, I think maybe twice, something in here was rubbing so badly that I had to wear high socks with them, and it still like really hurt. And so I'm kind of thinking I might return these. At Nordstrom, you can return them if you don't like them, even if they're worn. They were an investment and they're not comfortable, so I think I might return these. What do you guys think? I have similar boots, these, which aren't really similar, but they're still like that lighter color, so I think I'm just gonna keep these and return those. We'll see. We'll see. Get all of my Amazon stuff ready for an Amazon haul. There's so much though, I'm trying to like fit it all in here. I have a huge haul coming soon. It's going to include almost all of these. A few of the pieces are going to be pieces from previous hauls that I've shared, but I figured I'd just share it all because it's going to be like a winter haul. That's what I'm trying to fit all on here, but it is a hot mess. So working on it, working on it. I might remove some of the items just because there's so many, but I like to include all of it, you know, and then break it down into categories. I forgot to mention one thing. So we're supposed to be replacing this light because it's in the background of like all of my videos and it just like gives this weird lighting. And so the chandelier from our bedroom is going to be coming in here because we got a new fandelier for our bedroom. If you watched the vlog, I think I included it in a vlog. We're going to be putting that in here eventually, so it'll be nice and complete once that's done. But I also think I'm going to go find a nail and add my hat, hang my hat right there. Just because it's kind of empty and I had a little something to put there on the wall, but I just didn't like it. So I think I'm going to put hat on the wall like the other wall that has them. I don't know yet. We'll see. But yeah, that's that. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Alright, I'm sweaty, but I'm done. I'm so excited. This room has not been this clean since, gosh, probably since we put this table in here. And we put this in here so that I could work in here. And I did work quite a bit in here when I was pregnant, but after I had baby, pretty much been working out in the living room. So I'm excited to try to get back in here and do some work, but a lot of times it's while she's napping and her room's right next to here, so I like to kind of just be out in the living room. But yeah, all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. I share beauty, fashion, lifestyle on there as well. I'm at Kelsie Kristine. I also have a TikTok at Kelsie Kristine with an underscore at the end. And then I have a blog too, kelsiekristine.com. So thanks for watching again, and thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified each time a new video goes live, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.